teaching. Whole 1 to 6 years course lecture will be delivered in English.
Educational and some other activities which we held during the holidays for so-called MCI coaching. Well, now it's next
exam. Yeah, correct.
We have agreement with some best coaching institutes like MIST,
yeah.
RISE, and on the competitive basis.
Right.
So students can choose.
पूरे रशिया में सिर्फ 12 यूनिवर्सिटी हैं जिसमें सिर्फ एक दा विंची रोबोटिक सर्जरी है. बशकीर में 2 दा विंची रोबोटिक सर्जरी है और पूरे रशिया में सिर्फ 3 यूनिवर्सिटी ऐसा है जिसमें 2 दा विंची रोबोटिक सर्जरी है. Hello students, Mahadul Sheikh from EDURIZON Private Limited. So we are finally here at Bashkir State Medical University and I'm very glad to be here at Dean office, our respected Dean sir, Mr. Rasool, and here we are with Rasool sir to have some little queries and conversation regarding day-to-day questions. And normally there are many confusions regarding some letters, some course and some students inquiries are there. So let's have some chat. And I would like to thank you, sir, for giving your time from your busy schedule. So hello, sir. How are you, sir?
I'm okay. Thank you.
So here is our respected Rasool, sir, the Dean of Bashkir State Medical University. So how are you, sir?
I'm okay, fine.
Okay, let's start with, we really appreciate you that you come live every time and clear all the doubts of Indian students and parents. And that's a wonderful idea by you, I guess.
Thanks. We try to be in touch with our students, regardless of their location, here or in India or in any other country. So we are ready for communication with parents, with embassy, with anyone who have deal on educational process in our university for admission. That's why we are very successful in this field.
True. So friends, I must tell you that Bashkir is a very prestigious university in Russia, and there is a very huge demand amongst the student in India that they prefer Bashkir State Medical University. So let's hear some good words from sir itself. Sir, why do you consider Bashkir is one of the best university in Russia?
First of all, our main and most important policy is transparency. Transparency, because on this in this business sometimes most of words are not said, not written. We prefer to write exactly, precisely true things. And second one, we have a very good position in world and domestic rankings. For example, Times Higher Education ranking. We are included in this list, and I'm not. I will not tell you about this domestic rankings and some other rankings like round university rankings. We also included in this ranking system many years.
Not only medical universities ranking is given there. There are many universities.
It's worldwide famous ranking system. Second one, our faculty. Research, clinical experience of our faculty is a unique feature which can guarantee that our students who come here will get top level education. Next one is that we prefer practically oriented training. From the first year we give clinical exposure to our students. We are starting from simulation technologies. We have amazing simulation based center, and after that students go directly to hospitals. Right now, during the COVID outbreak, around 2,000 our students practicing in hospitals, in outpatients departments, and this practical exposure gives amazing opportunity for students to foster, to improve their clinical experience. Next one, our facilities, up-to-date system of learning, distant learning. up to date. Microsoft, built by Microsoft. Amazing library, the best library in Volga region.
Right.
Medical library,
library.
And, biomedical. I would say biomedical library,
Right.
the best.
Yes.
Next one, our teaching facilities.
Right.
Our simulation-based center. I was in Dubai Health exhibition.
Yes.
We saw up-to-date things from all over the world, and I came to conclusion that our equipment and our simulation-based center is totally up to date.
Up to the mark, world mark.
Yes,
Yes.
world mark, and sometimes our equipment is more sophisticated than in most of the universities we visited in Middle East.
So आपने सुन लिया दोस्तों, there are many positive point. If we start counting, the video will be very longer. So let's summarize this thing. There are many things we can tell. You can check out my video on YouTube, which is told about Bashkir. And the best thing about Bashkir, what I tell every time, that the practical exposure is going to be amazing here, right? Keeping in view the next exam, which is going to be totally practical based, my dear friends and parents, see, at this budget, I must tell you, you should consider, because which is going to save you from next, which is going to help you to clear next, is only Bashkir. As sir said, it is not that I am telling you, it is that sir told that from the very first year you will get practical exposure. Bashkir makes you go to the hospital, make sure that you get hands-on experience. It's not that you are doctor on just paper. You are getting my point? There are simulation center, and sir emphasizing on that. You understand, sir can be sitting here and giving directions, but sir went to Dubai. Why he quoted? Because he went to Dubai personally to check whether our technology is up to the mark, and he makes sure that yes. Exactly. And that is a good thing about Buski, that they continuously improving themselves to make sure that you get best of the technology available in the world. It is not about Russia. They are at par with the world technologies, and that is the best thing. अगर मैं बोलूँ दोस्तों कि अगर हमें क्यों चूज़ करना चाहिए, तो मुझे लगता है सर की हर एक बात वो सच है, क्योंकि मुझे तो पता है, मैंने ये बातें सिर्फ सर के सामने क्यों बुलवाया, बिकॉज आई वांट टू मेक श्योर दैट आप सुनो सर के मुंह से. ओके, सो सर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, देयर आर सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स फ्रॉम सो मेनी कंट्रीज इन बशकीर. व्हाट डू लाइक द मोस्ट अबाउट इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स?
Indian students, we have representative from 54 countries.
Correct.
And our position, our vision, that we don't have Indian, African, Arabic, etc. We have students and future doctors, first of all.
Correct.
And if it comes to Indian students, their background, educational background is much higher. I
Great.
think above average. Why? Because of NEET exam.
NEET exam, yes sir.
Selection based on NEET is very unique thing which allow us to get the most educated people from India.
Right.
Because half of them who not pass the NEET, they staying at home and improving knowledge.
Right, right.
So this is the first thing about Indian students. But again, we have students, not Indian, not African,
all are students.
All are equal.
All are BSME family member.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Right. Okay, sir, there are few questions which I know personally the questions answer, but for the sake of the students, for the sake of the future students, for the parents who are being diverted by some other people, you know what I'm going to talk about, right? So I will ask you the straight question, and you can just try to give the answer, because the video should not be very longer, because the student or the parents may lose the interest, right? So sir, is Bashkir State Medical University bilingual?
Actually, the program which our students from India are taking part, choosing, are English medium.
Okay.
English medium.
Again, I'm asking for your sake, sir, the whole 6 years, from first to 6 years.
Lectures, theoretical part in English.
English.
But when you go to patient,
deal with the patient.
courses in
Okay,
Russia.
that is everywhere. If you
Everywhere.
yeah. What is your say about the practical exposure here? Like how the students are, getting the practical exposure from Bashkir State Medical University comparable to other universities?
Our university advocates early practical exposure from the first year. We're starting from the second semester. Right now in January, students have so-called practice in simulation center.
Oh,
First year students.
okay.
After that, during February, March and April, we have theoretical course.
Okay.
And after theoretical course, we will have practical exposure during spring and summer.
Okay, great.
With real patients.
Great.
But during the classes from February to April, we will also have guided
Okay.
exposure.
Guided. Okay. Okay. Great.
And in summer, practically it will be practical exposure.
So, what all other extracurricular activities
Oh,
are there?
a
Like
lot
summer
of-
camp
a
and
lot
thing.
of-
Please, can
a
you just
lot of.
tell?
First of all, we have a conception of useful holidays.
Okay.
Every single holiday fully furnished with activities.
Okay.
During New Year, we have 10 days of rest.
Okay.
So our students don't have rest.
Okay.
Sport activities.
Okay.
We rent a big stadium over there.
Okay.
Amazing stadium with pool, with running, with ability to play famous Indian game. Cricket.
Okay.
Yes.
Great.
A big
Great.
hall for cricket.
Yeah.
Also, we planning to conduct all Russia cricket competition this summer.
With acha. Okay. Great.
All Indian students will come
Okay.
here from all universities
Okay,
from
okay.
Russia.
So inter-college tournament.
Inter-college,
Okay,
yes.
okay.
So next one, educational and some other activities which we held during the holidays for MCI coaching.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
Okay.
now it's next. if
Next
I'm not
exam.
mistaken.
Yeah. Correct.
We have agreement with some best coaching institutes like MIST,
Missed. Yeah.
RISE,
Mm-hmm.
and on the competitive basis.
Right.
So students can choose.
Choose.
I like MIST, okay, I choose
Okay.
MIST. I like
Okay.
a RISE, I choose a RISE.
Okay.
Also, we have, if you know, some other American program like Lecturio.
Okay.
Lecturio.
Okay.
Now we are going to establish Lecturio system
Okay.
in our university. Other things, we have clubs,
Okay.
language clubs.
Okay.
You can
Learn many languages.
Spanish.
Okay. German.
We don't have German right
Okay.
now. Spanish, English, Arabic, Hindi.
Hindi.
No
Acha,
problem.
Hindi.
For other people, not
Okay.
like me. I'm trying to start Achal Arkahe, for example.
So sir is really nice person with a good knowledge and good sense of humor as well. मुझे समझ में आ रहा है why sir is very popular among the student. Okay. So for your understanding, for your better understanding, let me again clarify this thing. So sir, according to the gadget, Indian government is saying your university should be English. So here English means your whole 1 to 6
Teaching.
years. Yes.
Teaching.
Whole 1 to 6 years course, the lecture will be delivered in English. Yes, sir.
100%
Okay.
in English.
Next question is going to be again related to practical exposure. So, sir, how many hospitals are associated with Buski State Medical University where the students can go and get their hands-on practical experience?
30. And we have our own university hospital with 700 beds, with robotic surgery,
With robots.
two Da Vinci robots. In Russia, only 12 organizations have one Da Vinci, and only 3, maybe 2 organizations have 2 Da Vinci robots like our university, and all of them located in Moscow.
मॉस्को. तो आप सोचिए दोस्तों, बहुत अमेजिंग चीज़ बोला सर ने कि पूरे रशिया में सिर्फ 12 यूनिवर्सिटी हैं जिसमें सिर्फ एक दा विंची रोबोटिक सर्जरी है. बशकीर में 2 दा विंची रोबोटिक सर्जरी है और पूरे रशिया में सिर्फ 3 यूनिवर्सिटी ऐसा है जिसमें 2 दा विंची रोबोटिक सर्जरी है, और आपको पता होगा कि अगर आप मॉस्को में पढ़ने जाएंगे, योर बजट विल बी मोर देन 45 to 55 lakhs.
Angiographic device which we bought 1 week ago is the best in Russia. The unique and the best.
So sir, let's sum up. Sir, what message you want to give to the present student who are studying in Bashkir State Medical University and the future students who are watching this video?
For our present and future students, I want to say only one thing. You must be motivated. You must be interested to get knowledge. You must be asking person every time,
Yes.
24/7,
Right.
and you must be searching person 24/7. If you come to hospital, to clinic, and you stand and watch what the doctor's doing, and just watch, 6 years will pass,
Then don't come to Bashkir.
fly away. Don't come to Bashkir.
Yes.
Stay in India,
Yeah.
because we are interested in people who trying to get knowledge, trying to get knowledge, trying to be involved in our surgical club, in our experimental club, in our research activities, etc.
I heard from someone that during this COVID time, our students got opportunity to go to the hospital, and they were somehow paid also.
Yeah.
So is it like an opportunity for students to get paid during while you learn system?
This question have interconnection with things about language, medium language.
Yes.
Students who are fluent in Russian,
Oh.
they have opportunity to work in hospital and get salary. My salary is maybe two-folds less than salary which students got in COVID hospitals.
Oh my God. So can you give me a rough figure about how much they earn during that COVID time?
250,000 rubles, 2 lakh.
2 lakh.
2
It
lakh.
is approx 2 lakhs rupees per month, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
So, सोचिए.
But if you are fluent in Russian,
Only. आज
because patients are Russian. That's why you people in this National Medical Commission should not understand. Practice, and those people, I know 2 Indian students who work in COVID hospital, 1 African and 1 Arabic. Is it too much?
No.
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 And you know how many students, international students from Russian-speaking countries, how many of them were working in COVID hospitals? Do you want the number?
Yes, sir, please.
400.
Oh my God.
So that is the question of
That is
language.
why there is a gap.
That's why in Jordan, when you go to study in China, when you go to study to Russia, you must study in the language of the country,
Right.
because you will be able to communicate. That the message, you ask me the message to students,
Yes.
that is my message to National Medical Commission.
Right. Why sir is insisting on learning Russian language? Because during that COVID time, only those students got opportunity to earn who know Russian language fluently, right, sir?
Exactly.
And they earn more than 2 lakhs per month. आप सोचिए, रशियन लैंग्वेज को देख के इतना डर रहे हो, आपका कॉलेज का फीस क्या है, और यू कैन गेट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू अर्न मोर देन 2 lakhs इन ए मंथ. इंडिया में MBBS करने के बाद भी इतना नहीं मिलता दोस्तों. सर, फ्रॉम द कोर ऑफ माई हार्ट, आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक यू फॉर सच ए नाइस मीटिंग. आई हैव मेट सो मेनी डीन्स, बट सर, I found to be you the best person. Like, you know, along with the power, you really have that kind of good heart which actually entertains the student like a guide. Like a guide. Really, I'm telling you, sir.
Very strict.
Yeah, that you have to be, because the kind of position you hold, you have to be like that only, right? Thank you so much from EDURIZON Private Limited family, and I would like to thank you on behalf of the Indian students for being so nice. Thank you so much. Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.